In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a password manager with 1Password. Now, if you're new to 1Password, or even if you're familiar with it, there are always little nuances that can make using the application much more efficient and secure. So let's dive right into it. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the 1Password dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll manage all your login credentials and sensitive information. Once you're logged in, what you want to do next is click on View Vault Items. This simple action will take you to a list of all the items securely stored in your vault. It might seem like a minor step, but ensuring you know how to view your items is essential for managing your data. Next, direct your attention to the section labeled Vaults. Clicking on this will display the different vaults you have. Vaults are essentially folders where you can organize your passwords and other sensitive information. They help keep everything neatly structured. Choose one from your list to access its contents. By doing so, you're setting the stage for mastering the organization of your digital life. If you're looking to add something new, you'll find an option to add a new item. This is a key feature because it allows you to continuously update the information stored safely. Adding items could include new logins, bank details, or secure notes that you need to keep confidential. It's important to keep these items up to date to ensure that all your sensitive information is readily available when you need it. Should you wish to modify any existing logins or items, simply select the login you want to adjust. This allows you to stay on top of any changes, such as password updates, ensuring your data is always current. If you ever need to share an item securely with someone, 1Password has you covered with a user-friendly option to share your data safely. This feature is particularly useful for families or teams working together. Editing is straightforward as well. You can adjust any details or notes you have appended to an item, and once satisfied with your changes, click on Save to ensure those changes take effect. As a good practice, make it a habit to save all edits promptly to avoid any loss of information. The three-dot icon offers additional options, an often overlooked feature that can greatly enhance your user experience. Clicking here reveals choices like adding items to favorites or deleting them if needed. You can also move items between vaults, providing flexibility in how you organize your space. Utilizing these features allows you to maintain an efficient and secure digital environment while using 1Password. With practice, managing your passwords and sensitive data will become a seamless part of your routine. So give these steps a try and bring a little more security and organization into your digital life.